These types of screenshot animations are very impressive and are frequently used in explanatory videos. In this video, you will learn step by step how to create such animations in After Effects. First, you need to take a screenshot of a timeline panel like this in Premiere Pro. It could be a screenshot of something else. The logic is the same. Then, need to import the screenshot into After Effects and create a suitable composition. Then, need to copy the screenshot one more time than the number of things you want to animate. So, if you want to animate 5 things, you need to copy 6. That's it. Okay, let's continue. Next, you need to mask everything you want to animate, but a separate layer must be selected for each mask. A layer is selected, a masking operation is performed, then another layer and another mask, like this. After the masking is finished, let's change the name of the bottommost layer, the one we copied extra so we don't get confused. Then, let's draw a rectangle that covers the masked areas. Turn off the stroke color and set the fill color accordingly. And move this rectangle layer on top of the bottommost image layer. Since the lines here have disappeared, need to draw lines. For this, select the pen tool. Turn off the fill color and turn on the stroke color. Let's set the stroke value to 0.1 and draw a line appropriately. Copy 5 of these lines and place the lines appropriately. Then move these lines on top of the bottommost rectangle layer. Instead of adjusting the center point of each layer individually, select all the layers and adjust the center point using the Ctrl-Alt-Home shortcut. Now, open the position of all the masked layers and start a keyframe. Move forward 1 to 2 seconds and leave the position as it is. Then return to the first keyframe and adjust the position like this. Select all the keyframes and give them easy ease. Then adjust the speed graph like this. Here, parts of the unmasked layer below are visible. To correct this, just need to slightly enlarge the rectangle shape. Okay, that's good. Now need to perform a sequence layer operation. To do this, select all the masked layers, hold down Ctrl and Alt, and drag them with the left mouse button. Perfect. We're slowly coming to the end. Now let's open an adjustment layer. Then let's add the glow effect. Let's set the glow radius to 35. Next, select all layers and pre-compose. Name it Screenshot. Then create a composition from 1920 to 1080. Drag the screenshot composition to the workspace. Activate the 3D feature. Then open the transform settings. Set the Z rotation value to -90 and the X rotation value to -75. And activate the X rotation and position keyframes. Adjust the position value accordingly. Finally, move forward a few seconds. Adjust the position and X rotation values accordingly. That's it. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. You can visit the channel for more tutorials. See you in the next videos.